Selecting a pre-owned supercar can often be a daunting prospect. How do you pick one that looks and feels just like it rolled off the showroom floor? Well, today we have a 992 Carrera 4S in beautiful Dolomite Silver paintwork. My name is Darren and welcome to our All Access vlog. Let's take a drive. The new generation 992's design language is both elegant and understated. With all models featuring a full-length rear light bar and automated pop-out door handles, it is truly a design statement. The 992 Carrera 4S comes equipped with adaptive all-wheel drive, giving the supercar more grip around corners and increased traction for launch. As this was a pre-owned unit, we had to perform select paintwork restoration and interior upholstery repairs, including removing the poorly fitted existing pre-cut paint protection film. Once the paintwork restoration and leather upholstery repairs were ready, we began with our signature detailing program, which starts from the exterior, working its way to the interiors of the car, taking up to 100 man-hours to complete. The paintwork undergoes a multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement process, blending the freshly repainted panels with the existing perfectly. Once the brilliance of the Dolomite Silver metallic paintwork is brought to its ultimate finish, multiple layers of our hybrid ceramic coating system are applied and cured using shortwave infrared lamps. This ensures the coating system achieves a complete cross-linking process, creating a durable coated surface. The team then moves on to the coachwork, working through the undercarriage, wheel wells, suspensions, brakes and calipers using a combination of -78 degrees dry ice pellets to remove oxidized, rusted and stained contaminants, and followed with steam cleaning and finally manual detailing work. The 20-inch front and 21-inch rear Carrera Classic wheels were repaired, refinished and detailed. Our hybrid ceramic coating system was also applied on the wheels and brake calipers, allowing for ease of maintenance. The club leather upholstery in truffle brown selection was detailed using a low moisture steam cleaning system to remove dirt and grease. With the freshly detailed and coated Dolomite Silver metallic paintwork, we custom fitted our flagship ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film system. The PPF features a patent-pending plasma memory system that reacts with oxygen to heal instantly when lightly scratched. Designed for gloss finish paintwork, the PPF also more than doubles the shine of any gloss finished car after installation. Whichever your selection, whether pre-owned or brand new, we'll be able to work our magic on your car. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'm Darren. We'll see you the next time.